Yeah, no. This has to go. I did it! I did it! Hey y'all, it's your girl Kyala TV, back at it again with another video. Subscribe if you haven't, become a part of the K crew if you aren't already. If you are, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to the crew. Today is gonna be another cleaning video, guys. I know I'm gonna overload you guys with the cleaning videos because that's what I love to do. Maybe I could do one of you guys' houses. I don't know. It's like, no, don't text me on no cleaning stuff. I'm not coming. I won't bro. It's like, nah. Anyways, we are going to be rearranging this junky room. We're going to be rearranging this junky room. I'm about to show y'all how it looks. It's not completely junky, but it's junky. I'm going to show y'all that I'm explaining how I think it's junky to you guys. Don't mind my little sister, but look at this. I don't like where the bed is at. I want to change everything. Like, you see, I have freaking pizza over there, and then I got cups over there, you know, like water, you know. No. I want to change this. I want to put it in a different area, which is over here. I want to put my bed over here, and I want it like, you know, not like this. I want it to the side, you feel me? Towards the wall. I want to clean this vanity off because it looks super duper horrible. Oh, we need to clean this all up, and it just looks hideous. I'm just going to show you guys an overall view. I want to do something with those bags. Yeah, no. This has to go. Definitely has to go. And you guys are going to come with me on this journey of cleaning this room. You guys are going to see how I'm going to do it. You guys love these type of videos, right? Well, from my channel, because I'm the special one and unique. And I'm only 17 and I be doing stuff like this, you know? Yeah, let's just continue on with the video.
CJ, ooh, CJ, ooh, CJ.
Dolphins arch your back.
She said the nigga so got cash out. Don't break my nigga no. 6/6. I won't never sell my soul. And I can take that. That I really wanna know. Wait. Pull it out the coupe in the lot. Coupe in the lot. Buzzing out the coupe in the. Pull it out the coupe in the lot. Coupe in the lot. Buzzing out the coupe in the. Pull it out the coupe in the lot. Damn seal. I'ma get lazy. Coupe in the lot. Your deal.
Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction. You so in love, you wanna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
You guys, I'm having a hard time with what I'm doing. I hope that I can get it done. The bed not letting me really place it where I want it. I'm gonna have to do some things. Let's go.
Something. I don't know what the fuck this coronavirus is about. I don't understand how that shit was from Wuhan, China. And let me tell you something. I ain't gonna front.
DJ Cali era.
Front. I'm really scared. You know what I'm saying? Like, look. Ass slapping. I'm really scared. You know what I'm saying? Like, look. Ass slapping.
Okay, so now, y'all, I'm about to put all the sneakers and shoes back under there. And let's go. Period. Now I gotta do the bed and other stuff. So, let's go. Alright, y'all, so I am finally done rearranging my room part 2. And I'm about to show y'all. Just give me a second. I had to put this on because I was sweating a lot. Because, you know, your girl had to do a little exercise. Because I had to push some heavy things by myself. That was kind of a workout. But I'm about to show y'all the finished product. Because you know how I get down with the cleaning. Alright, let's see. I'm going to show y'all. I did it. I did it. I forgot to say over here. Oh yeah, I put the long mirror over there. I feel like I did a good job. Let me know in the comments if y'all think I did a good job also. So make sure y'all don't forget to comment down below. Make sure y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if y'all like this video. Period. And I'll see y'all. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.